Every year, more people spend more money online. In 2017, global e-com sales were $2.3 trillion. By 2021, that amount is forecast to exceed $4.8 trillion. That's double in 4 years, which is mind-boggling numbers, representing infinite income potential for marketers. So why are you stuck with 10-year-old methods promising just $100 per day? The math just doesn't add up. The online economy is growing by about 25% per year, but the income potential of most systems hasn't increased by a dime. Hey guys, this is Jason Fulton, and my business partner Mosh Barry and I believe it's time for you to demand more. $100 a day is a nice starting point if you're brand new, but with today's online economy, you should expect to make a lot more. We did it the hard way, years of sweat and tears to build six-figure businesses. But today, it's much easier to make that kind of money. Trillions of dollars being spent online by an infinite number of people buying infinite products. Just a tiny slice translates into life-changing profits. So to help our thousands of students tap into the explosive internet economy, we tried something completely new and hired a 7-figure e-commerce expert to show us his underground secret for cashing in on the money already being spent online. But after being burned by previous e-com methods, we had some ground rules. We wanted no risking money up front on inventory, we wanted no expensive or fancy softwares required, and we wanted no product sourcing, shipping, or customer service. This had to take no more than 10 minutes per day to run, and it had to be infinitively scalable. Well, our ecom expert delivered. We tested his bulletproof system for 4 months, and we were shocked by how well it performed. He can see over $717 in sales in one day. Wanted more? Well, we just simply rinsed and repeated, and we tapped into an infinite stream of buyers, generating 4 figures in 1 week and even bigger 4-figure weeks. As simple and repeatable as this system was, we wanted to make it even easier. So we developed a custom software to automate 99% of the process, created a copy-paste template to guarantee winning campaigns every time, and added our own step-by-step training and case study to make it a no-brainer. Introducing Infinitii. This is the easiest and fastest way to make consistent and scalable profits from people already spending money online. The process is incredibly simple. We find what people are spending money on right now, and we'll show you how. We list those products on your own custom site that the custom software creates for you, and we have others handle delivery and customer support for you. There's zero risk with this method because you know in advance what people are buying. Instead of hard selling, your automated site simply takes orders for you. You get paid up front on every single order, and scaling is a breeze. Instead of spending more time, you just rerun your winning campaigns. Infinitii gives you everything you need to profit, including the traffic. Start with our proven free methods, then when you're in profit and ready to scale, tap into our ultra-effective premium solutions that consistently generate top return on investment. That's why it's called Infinitii. Your upside profit potential is unlimited. Not by putting more time into the system, but simply by pushing winning campaigns to the next level. Once you have multiple campaigns turning $1 into $5 or more, it's easy math to double your sales by turning $2 into $10. We've been doing this for exactly 4 months and have barely scratched the surface. Infinitii works in any niche by putting you directly in front of people happily spending money on unlimited products. We've never seen a faster way to make 3 figures per day, 4 figures per week, and 5-figure monthly profits. You get the Infinitii system, custom automated software, and step-by-step video training, plus the proven from $0 to $355 per day case study, so you can just copy and paste our results. From scratch, you can have your first profitable campaigns running about 30 minutes from right now. After that, you won't need any more than 10 minutes per day to keep the cash flowing. All with zero technical skills or experience required. So check out the full details below, including real and recent proof of results. Infinitii is working right now and has never been a better time to get started. Online shoppers are gearing up to spend more in the next 2 months than they'll spend all year long. This is your chance to make unfair profits in the shortest possible time. So grab Infinity now at a huge discount. Enjoy the value-added bonuses included only during this limited launch. Follow along, make money, rinse and repeat, and in the highly unlikely event you don't make profits, you get your money back. That's right. Your low one-time investment is completely risk-free and you have nothing to lose. It took us a long time to create six-figure online businesses. Thanks to the new internet economy, it doesn't have to take you nearly that long. $100 a day? That was a nice number 10 years ago. Today, you should aim for a lot higher, and Infinity delivers. See for yourself below, then lock in your copy at the lowest possible price. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside.